guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Make sure you guys go ahead and click the subscribe button down below and turn on your post notification bell so you guys can be notified every time I have a new upload. Thank you guys so much for clicking on this video as always. Thank you and shout out to you guys for supporting me. We are working our way up to 5K slowly but surely, so I just want to say thank you to everybody that supports me, that has supported me from the start, maybe just discovered me and just started supporting me. Thank you guys, I really do appreciate it, and I can't wait for you guys to see everything that I'm working on. Without further ado, we are going to get right into this video. So today I do have another wig or unit review for you guys, and this unit is from Wiggins hair. So this is the 26-inch loose deep wave with the 13x6 frontal. It is HD. This is in 200 density. So I'm just going to pull everything to the front so you guys can see how full the hair is. Just want to stand up so you guys can see that. So super full. I'm also going to insert a picture so you guys can see what the curls look like on the first day. But like I said, this is the 26-inch loose deep wave. This 26-inch is really long. It is such a good length, and this 200 density is a true 200 density. I like to wear most of my hair in the back, so I just pull some up in the front just so you guys can see. But these curls are beautiful. Like I said, the hair is really full. So this is without any product, and I've had this hair in for about 4 days now. So this is my second time wetting it, and I just let it dry down. So I didn't diffuse it or anything once I re-wet it, but when I did initially get it installed, my stylist did wet it and had me sit under the dryer so the curls could just form a little bit better. So that's the basic rundown for the hair. I really do like the hair. You could just run through it. I really do like the hair. When you have loose deep wave like this, you don't want to keep running your fingers through it unless it's wet, just so you can get all of the tangles out. But once it dries down, you don't really want to run your fingers through it too much because you don't want to alter the pattern of the curls. So that is enough about the actual hair itself. So let's get into the lace a little bit. Like I said, this is HD lace. My stylist did bleach the knots and also plucked the hairline. She also plucked the part. As you guys can see, I have a side part. Just want to come in a little bit so you guys can see how the lace looks and how it lays down. The lace on this unit is really good. It took well to the bleach. It is a true HD. The lace itself is a little bit thick, but the knots were easy to bleach. And once my stylist plucked it, as you guys can see, everything turned out perfectly. Again, as you guys can see, I just love the curls, how they fall. Like I said, I'm going to insert a few pictures and videos just so you guys can see how it looked when I initially got it installed. But yeah guys, my overall thoughts on this wig: love the hair, I love the curl type, I love the lace. Like I said, the lace is a little bit thick, so it might take a little bit more maintenance as far as just having it stay down once glued. Thicker lace tends to lift a little bit more. The thinner the lace, the better it lays down and stays down for a little bit longer. But other than that guys, I love this wig. I also like that the color is more of a natural black and not brown, because I like for my hair to be a little bit more on the dark side to bring out my complexion a little bit more. But yeah guys, this unit is super cute. I love it. I love the way that it looks on me, and the curls, I love the way that it looks on me. I feel like I want to turn this into sort of like a half up half down situation once I get it reinstalled. But for now, I'm loving this side part vibe. I feel like it was kind of pre-layered because as you guys can see, it falls a little shorter on my bust and then it goes all the way down to my behind. So like I said, I'll insert the pictures just so you guys can see. But yeah guys, that's pretty much it for today. Would I recommend this wig? Absolutely. It's just super cute, easygoing, perfect for the summertime, perfect for vacation. So yeah guys, I'll leave the specs for this wig down below, and I'll also be leaving a link for you guys to purchase in case you guys are interested. But yeah guys, that's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys over at Wiggins for sending me this beautiful wig. And you guys, I'll see y'all next time.